Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find Coinbase wallet address of any crypto. So first thing you have to do, which is the first step to take, is to open your Coinbase app on the website. So open the Coinbase apps on your mobile, which is your phone, or you can also visit the website, which is coinbase.com. Then from there, log into your account. Then after that, you have to go to your assets. So to do that, on the top on the app, you have to tap on the asset at the bottom of the screen. Then if it is on the website, just click on asset or your portfolio from the top menu. Then after that, you have to scroll through your asset and select the cryptocurrency you want to find the address for. For example, you can simply click from the list, which is you can pick Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency of your choice. Then after that, tap on the receive button. You will be prompted to select the specific network like Ethereum or Solana. If the cryptocurrency supports multiple network, you can just click from any of them. And also, your wallet address will appear as a combination of letters and number. You can also see a QR code for easy sharing. Then tap on the address to copy it or share the QR code directly from the app. And here's the most important thing that you need to note: ensure you select the correct network. It is very, very important. Make sure you select the correct network. For example, you can simply use the ERC20 for Ethereum when receiving funds, and sending assets to the wrong network can lead to loss of funds. So whenever you want to pick a network, make sure you pick the right network, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.